Good afternoon to all. So this is Sagar here. So today we'll see how we can make a Python add-in. So getting in more information regarding that particular feature or anything. So I have database here, and that data I'll open in ArcMap, and I want to make a add-in. So using that add-in, I can get the information regarding uh, about the how many fields are there, type of fields are available for them. Just like if I want to select, I want to take information regarding poll, I have to go to the attribute and I'll check it. So better than I have developed one of the add-in. So using that add-in, we can get the whole information. So how we can do that, I'll show here. So this is the combo box. Using that combo box, I have to select any one feature or any one feature class, and using that we can get the more information regarding that feature class. If I select poll, the information will be displayed here in this ideally. If I select poll, yeah, so only we have to select the feature class here and we'll get the information, more information here. So selected layer is poll. First attribute is object, type is object id, length is 4, and these are the attributes. Name of the attribute is this one, type, date, length 8. After that, so number of total 62 attributes are there for this pool. If you want to see that, and go to attribute and see that, so these are the number of attributes are there. So using add-in we can do it. I can show the code for the add-in. I have written this code. So feature name is fields, whatever selected feature class is there, and it will be print here name, type, length in or ideally. And these are the code I have written. The folders, all these things I want to show you. Layer list. So these are the, and this is the file. And once if you want to install on your computer system, we can see that, like add-in, layer list, and these are there. That Python add-in code you can get in Python toolbox. This is my account, GitHub account. In that, so you can get that count features, same attributes. You can download and install on your system. That add-in. Only you have to double click on the add-in and later that layer list. So once you did, you can install on your ArcGIS and you can work further. Thanks. Thanks for watching my videos.